Well, it's almost like I called it. Just gonna say, I actually got confirmation. This is from my order from my dealership. I have ordered in San Francisco Bay Area at Sierramonte Ford in San Francisco. I'll go ahead and kind of read this if you guys didn't already know. Like I said, they basically have too many orders for hybrids. They over uh, accepted orders on hybrids, so there's not going to be enough hybrid motors to complete all the orders that were put in for the 2023 Ford Maverick. Just like I said last video, that they had too many hybrid orders and they had more than enough EcoBoost to build everything. So they're asking people with hybrid orders if they want to get their trucks sooner to swap over to an EcoBoost. Is this good? Is this bad? I mean, it's bad because I don't want the truck if it's not a hybrid. The whole point of me buying this truck is to get good gas mileage because gas is expensive in California. And I also want a truck and I do need a new car. So for me, I'm going to hold it out. I'm going to hold steady. I'm actually going to hold for a hybrid. I want a hybrid, so I don't care how long it takes. I'm gonna, milk my car until that time comes. I'm just gonna be like you guys and go on YouTube, Reddit, and forums and complain, complain, complain. No, but I'm just letting you guys know this is the official note from Ford, and I'm assuming in a few days we're also gonna get that 45-day email from Ford, and they're probably be explaining the same thing, saying, oh, due to this and this, yada yada. If you want to change over, you have a better chance. But for me, I am also gonna just wait it out. I mean, that's all I can do. Wait, complain. So there's just confirmation from this is from my dealership. I just got it less than an hour ago, confirming the suspicions of my last video. Regardless if you thought I was right or wrong, turns out I'm right. Haha. Anyways, it sucks. I mean, it sucks for hybrid owners. It just sucks in general that we're still having these supply chain issues and they're basically over promising what they can't provide. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think is going to happen. I always read all the comments. I'm very interested to, start discussions, and I'll try my best to get back to you. I want to keep this video short and sweet, but this is basically the fruition of more bad news coming to, coming to the surface. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.